Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a visual in a Power BI service report using the Q&A feature. So let's start. And I was looking at the Q&A feature and I googled, so this is what came up and I thought it was a pretty good description. So it says that sometimes the fastest way to get an answer from your data is to ask a question using natural language. So essentially you can type a question in natural language English. At the moment it only supports English. And the Q&A feature does create visuals for you. So we'll learn how to do that. And what I'm going to show you is this page is a fairly good resource on how to use Q&A, and I'll leave a link to this in the video notes, so you can download this. You can look at the video notes and go through this as well. So let's start. I've already logged into the Power BI service, so I've got Learn to Excel my workspace, and I'll click on reports and I'll click on my report. So it opens this report for me. And now essentially to access the Q&A feature, I need to click it in edit mode. So I'll click edit report. And the moment I click edit report, you can see that it is giving me the option to ask a question. So I click that and it is giving me the option. So I know my data set fairly well. So I'll just say sales by English. So my English language is a bit so hard to type by English country. So I'll select this one. So it's telling me what options I have or what data points or what fields I could use. So I know what fields I want to use. I've selected those, and this looks all right. So it's showing me the sales for different countries. So United States, Australia, Canada, and United Kingdom. But let's say I'm not happy with this visual and I want to change the visual. All I need to do is go and on the visualizations tab, I can select the one I want. So I'll select map, and it automatically converts it into a map visual. And then just to save my visual, all I need to do is I go to file and click on save, and that visual is now available to me in my report. So let's just go back to Learn to Excel again, and we'll go on reports and I'll click on my report. And you can see on the left hand side that we've got this visual available to us now. So in this video, we've essentially learned how to create a new visual using the Q&A mode in the Power BI service. And then we've changed that visual generated by the Q&A mode and created the visual we wanted. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.